Ayan guys, nagbus kami. Punta kami na Dubai. Welcome to Dubai. Yeah, they are connecting flight. So yun guys, dito na kami sa Dubai. Ayan o. Simon, welcome to Dubai. So yun guys, kukunin na namin aming bagahe. Ayan. At a gift card. Welcome to Dubai. Ayan guys, welcome to Dubai. Building dito ba? Saudi rin. Kasi mo kanina inalo yung Burj Khalifa, wala pa naman doon sa airport. Ayan guys, dito kami sa hotel na. Ayan. So ayan guys, meron free dito na SIM card. Ayan, buksan na natin. 24 hours lang siya, 10 GB. Ayan. At may free na pantusok. Ayan. So, ito na. Ating SIM card. Welcome to Dubai. Diba? Ito na ang ating SIM card. Dubai SIM card. Welcome to Happy Emirates. May ano pang Chinese dito sa likod. Ha?
Give me your phone that you use.
Sige. Ayan guys, we're here in Global City, Dubai. Ayan o. Parang Riyadh Boulevard. Pasok kami dyan guys. Hello guys, we're here in Global City. Ayan. Naglihoy-huli kami ng mga kasama namin. Pa? Hindi naman siya nag-isay? Hindi na. Ayan o, ganda o. Bibili na kami ng ticket. Parang din siya, parang Riyadh Boulevard. Ayan. Dubai version. So ayan guys, dito kami sa Global City. Dito sa may Dubai. Wow, yun o. Parang din, parang Riyadh Boulevard din. Ayan guys, dito kami sa loob ng Riyadh. Daming tao. Global City. Ayan. Parang kariyahan. Global Village.
There's pasta.
So guys, ito yung gustong bilhin ni ni Simon, Dubai chocolate. Tikman natin. Ito 40 to eh. Ito 35. Dubai chocolate.
There's Dubai chocolate.
Ayan, this is Dubai chocolate requested by Simon. Ay, ba't ganyan? Malaglag. Oh, give us one by one.
Open! Crack it open! Crack it open! Crack it! Careful! You crack it! You crack it! You crack it! You crack it! Crack! Why crack? It's gonna spill! Gimme!
Malaglag. Ay, naku.
The thing inside. Tikman nyo na.
Tignan natin para...
Can I see? Show it. Wait. So that's... Guys, stop! This my chocolate. That's what's inside. Yeah, nice one.
Ah, keep this one.
I don't wanna taste. Okay, that's it.
Danger zone. Ayan, may akit taas taas.
Maganda niya mga motorcycle pa rin. Bumibitaw sila sa motorcycle. At binahapon nila kaya.
Taas yan guys, grabe.
Okay pa siya, Oh my God.
Si ate, Ay! Oh Lord!
So ayan guys, after a long day, first day in Dubai, and